Hi guys and girls, this is Henrichi here today. I'm grateful to have you all here tuning in again on my videos. Appreciate you. Today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. Market structure and why I think Bitcoin is possibly headed. Please note that nothing I say in this video should be used as an investment advice. It's basically for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, as you all know, Bitcoin is a very volatile pair, volatile asset. And 2022 has been a very bearish year for Bitcoin. And 2023, we anticipate to see what Bitcoin is going to do. So, I'm currently on the 3-month time frame. I'm going to click on log. The reason I use that is because I like to see everything, every price action in Bitcoin from when it was at 1 cent to its all-time high, because I like to understand its previous price actions in order to be able to forecast the future price action. And as you can see, Bitcoin made this impulsive move and we saw this correction, and this correction came here into this imbalance, and the price left imbalances here and here, and it didn't come too deep to mitigate them. It just mitigated the top imbalance, left again, fair value gap, and you can see price came down, filled this imbalance, another push up, then the next push up, we can see fair value gap here, fair value gap here. And what did price do? Price came to the first fair value gap. It didn't come deep into the other fair value gap. It came to the first fair value gap, and we saw another rally. And after that, what did we do? Price left this fair value gap right here. So if I wanted to buy Bitcoin when it was at $69,000, I would wait for price to come into this fair value gap to start to accumulate Bitcoin. Not financial advice. Because in my opinion, this is a discount position. And if we are to see another Bitcoin rally, the accumulation is going to hold inside this position. This is not a financial advice, my opinion, only for educational purposes. Now, once Bitcoin comes into this point of interest, what will I be looking for? I'll be looking for a daily shift in microstructure. I go straight to daily. Now in the daily, you can see how price made this high and made a low. And after that, we saw this move up, and then price came down and took this liquidity from the previous low. This got me wondering, what did price really do in here? And I went to 23-hour time frame because I was curious. Out of curiosity, I wanted to know what price really did there, and I saw the price actually made a high. This was actually a low. A high. And a lower low. Now, for me to believe that the market structure has shifted to the upside, I want to see this high get broken. I want to see it get broken, and after price took this low, you can see how price came back and it used the wick. It wicked this position. Now, this made it even more complicated. Then I had to invert the chart, because usually when I'm looking for a sell and I'm looking for sells and price went up, came down, created a new high. This is my low. If price comes down here and wicks this position, when it's come into my point of interest, if it comes into my point of interest where I'm looking to sell and then wicks the previous low, I'm going to consider this wick as a break of structure. But it doesn't mean that I'm just going to randomly jump in and start selling in that scenario. What I'll usually do is I'll mark out a point of interest where I assume price should retrace to. And if it retraces to that position, I want to see price fail to create new highs. What do I mean by that? Now, what I mean by that is you can see this fair value gap here. You can see how price came into the fair value gap and came down, wicked this zone. Now, where will my point of interest be to anticipate for price to come down to? If this was a break of structure, I would want price to come into this point of interest. I'm going to make it red. Once price comes into this position, I don't want it to take this place. And I want it to, once it comes into this position, I want to see things like this. This is what I want to see. Failing to make new highs. New highs. And you can see it clear as day. After price hit the point of interest, failed to make new highs, kept going towards this high, indicating to me that Bitcoin structure has shifted from bearish to bullish. In my opinion, not financial advice. And we could see the most historical bull run ever in the year 2023, because from all the analysis that I posted on my channel, where I talked about the dollar being bearish, talked about the S&P being bullish, these are confirmations telling me that Bitcoin is ready to run, ready to rally. This is not financial advice, just my opinion. And if we do see another rally on Bitcoin, it's just going to be explosive. It's just going to be explosive because we're going to be looking at big numbers. The next rally in Bitcoin price did a 2,000%. If Bitcoin should even do a 500% or even 1,000%, a 1,000% is going to put Bitcoin at 170,000. 500% is going to put Bitcoin at 94,000, which is very realistic. I will honestly want to see Bitcoin at $90,000 the next run. Not financial advice. This is my opinion. You can do whatever what you want, but do not make any investments of my opinion. So guys and girls, I'm gonna be making more videos to talk about Bitcoin, and I'll keep you updated on its price action and my thoughts. So I appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful for you always tuning in. I'll see you all next time. Thank you.